And welcome back for an engine cleaning video. Now I actually posted the full length video a few videos back, so if you want to see that one, then just check that out. But this one, I just wanted to post the dressing parts of the engine bay cleaning once we apply the hyper dressing. To me, it just looked interesting. It was kind of cool, so I figured let me speed up the video, let me make it go super fast, and let's see if others enjoy it on YouTube as well. So it's just interesting to see from its natural look to a dressed, rich dark black plastic end dressing. So I'm using Maguire's hyper dressing. The rest of the video just sped up to go quickly so you can see the transformation quicker. And voila, these are the results that you get. Obviously, you have to clean it first, but after you clean it and then you apply the plastic rubber dressing to the engine bay, it looks 10 times better and will make any car look a lot more appealing. So that completes this video. I'll see you on the next one.